Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30 and I'm in the Pinchot State Forest and I'm at the Seven Tubs recreation area. This area was closed for almost a full year, so I'm really excited now that it's been reopened. So parking facilities have been upgraded, bathrooms improved. They've done a lot of work to this area. Okay, so this is a 537-acre treasure, beautiful whirlpool valley. We're in Luzerne County, and there's these pothole formations in Wheelbarrow Run, which are the Seven Tubs. This has been in the making for thousands of years, and they were formed when the 350-million-year-old sandstone bedrock was gouged out by glacial meltwater about 12,000 years ago. So I absolutely love this area. I've been here a number of times. When my kids were little, we used to come and kind of swim in the different potholes here. But I will say this area is prone to trash, and it's a big problem. People do not clean up their trash here. So if you come here and you want to hike, there's a 0.3-mile trail that will lead you past basically the highlights of the Seven Tubs area. And then there's also a Audubon loop trail, which is a 1.8 loop trail that goes around more of the site. So there are the two options for hiking in this area. So I'm hoping as I talk to the camera, you'll be able to hear me, because with all the different pools and the running water, it is quite noisy. But this is such a beautiful spot. Now is a great time to visit. It just reopened. I'm not sure many people know it's reopened. Really neat rock formations. So if you're a creator, I'm sure you'll know this. A lot of time and effort and gas money and early wake-ups go into this channel, and I love it. It brings me so much joy sharing these awesome places with all of you. Today I woke up at 5:30 a.m. to get myself out the door and get up here in time, and my husband handled getting the kids off to school. But you know, it really means a lot to me when you comment, when you like a video, when you share it with your friends, when you support our channel. It means the world to me, because I put a lot of time and effort into this, because I want to encourage all of you to get outside. So I know this area just reopened the beginning of April, and we're at the end of April right now, so it's only been open for about 30 days. But even initially on coming here, I saw a lot of trash in the parking lot, which is very disappointing because this is such a gorgeous area. I'm just like so confused why somebody would just throw their trash. I saw trash on the trail, trash in the parking lot, but don't let that stop you from coming here. There is so much beauty. There is so many nice, peaceful spots where you can get away from the crowds. We've been here in the summer. We've been able to find a little spot for the kids to swim. It's been awesome. So don't let that stop you from coming here. So like this is a prime example of what I'm talking about. So totally pristine, beautiful area. And then someone had to chuck the McDonald's cup under there. I wish I had a trash bag with me because I would collect the stuff, but I don't. You know, I really like the concept of carry it in, carry it out. You bring the trash with you, take it home. It just doesn't seem effective in some spots. I saw so many pieces of litter. I don't have a trash bag with me. If there was a trash can, I'd carry it to the trash can, but there isn't even a trash can here. And I really think that might be part of the problem of what's going on here, because there's a lot of trash. So like, here's just another example. Not cool. Stuff like that just drives me crazy. This will wrap up my video from the Seven Tubs area. Thank you so much for watching. Hope everybody's got a great day, and make sure to take some time to get outside. See you later.